Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Hairul Anam. I'm from Nautical 7 Alpha. I'm from Merchant Marine Polytechnic Semarang. Now I would like to tell you about SMCP and conduct routine VHF communication according to Standard Marine Communication Press SMCP. Before entering the material, let's get to know what is SMCP. SMCP is Standard Marine Communication Press, is navigational and safety communication from ship to shore, ship to ship, and on-board ship must be practiced simple and ambitious to misunderstanding. However, on this occasion, I will not really review SMCP, but rather how to conduct VHF communication. And then first is how to conduct initial call. Initial call is used to call another ship. As the structure of the initial call is 1. Call contains name, call sign, or other identification, for example the MMSI number of the vessel you are calling 1 until 3 times. 2. Identify yourself, same as above is name, call sign, or other identification, for example the MMSI number of our vessel on vessel 1 until 3 times. 3. Say on VHF channel 16 or what do you want. 4. Say over. Over means that the transmission is turned over to the other parts. Sometimes in the initial call we can also ask about other things, such as make sure if other parts can hear well. Talking about channel, spelling of alphabet, especially for spelling the call sign. For example, motor vessel Diamond Castle, motor vessel Diamond Castle, motor vessel Diamond Castle, India Romeo Sierra Lima, India Romeo Sierra Lima, India Romeo Sierra Lima. This is Seaborn, this is Seaborn, this is Seaborn. Go Foxtrot Charlie Charlie, calling you on VHF channel 16. How do you read me? Over? No. The response is the response must be answer like that. There are several methods used to assign position. 1. Latitude and longitude. Latitude and longitude can use when clear of land near a clear coast and when geographical names may be confusing. 2. Bearing and distance. Bearing and distance can use when near of land or sea mark and when there is a possibility of charts with different datums being used. Warning, dangerous, right in position 0, 1, 5 degrees 3 forward minutes north, 0, 6, 1 degrees 2, 9 minutes west. Your position bearing 1, 3, 7 degrees from Big Head Lighthouse, distance 2 decimal forward nautical mile. So repeat or I say again is used when an important message or part of message is repeated. For example, Seaborn, 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 Delta Kilo Echo 5, Delta Kilo Echo 5, Delta Kilo Echo 5. This is Garland, this is Garland, this is Garland. Go Foxtrot Charlie Charlie. Intention, I will alter course to port. Repeat, I will alter course to port. Over. This is for example. Then say again. That's going to say again. Say again is used when a message, a part of a message has not been clearly understood. For example, Garland, Garland, Garland. Go Foxtrot Charlie Charlie. Garland, Garland, Garland. Go Foxtrot Charlie Charlie. Ghost Foxtrot Charlie Charlie. This is Seaborn, this is Seaborn, this is Seaborn. Delta Kilo Echo 5. This is Seaborn, Delta Kilo Echo 5. Say again, over. Now, how to correct message using mistake and correction. Mistake correction is used when incorrect information has been given and passed through. For example, my draft of is 6.5 meters. Mistake correction. My draft of is 7.5 meters. Like that. Let's go into message marker. Message marker in SMCP has H message marker and H message marker like this is H message marker. 1. Instruction. 2. Advice. 3. Warning. 4. Information. 5. Question. 6. Answer. 7. Request and 8. Intention. Instruction. This indicates that the following message implies the intention of the sender to influence other by a regulation. For example, instruction: do not cross the fairway. Advice. Advice indicates that the following message implies the intention of the sender or to influence other by a recommendation. For example, advice: stand by on VHF channel 616. Repeat. For example, advice: stand by on VHF channel 16. Like that. Warning. They indicates that the following message implies the intention of the sender to inform other about danger. For example, warning: obstruction in the fairway. Let's go into information. Information indicates that the following message is restricted to be observed facts and situation. For example, information: motor vessel Seaborn will overtake to the west of you. Then question. Question. This indicates that the following message is of interrogative character. For example, question: what is your present maximum draft? And answer. This indicates that the following message is the reply to a previous question. For example, my present maximum draft is H.7 meter. Request. Request indicates that the following message is asking for action from other with respect to the vessel. For example, request. Request: I require 2 tasks. And then intention. Intention, this indicates that the following message inform other about immediate navigational action intended to be taken. For example, intention: I will reduce my speed. That's all about how to conduct routine VHF communication according to SMCP. Thank you for your attention, and I'm sorry if I have mistake when inform you. Don't forget like this video.